Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and turn on give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm with my mum, and today we're going to be opening one of these foodie mini brands. I've seen these in YouTube videos, but I've been wanting to get one, but I didn't think they were in Australia. Now we went to Kmart today and we saw them, so I was like, wait, can I spend my money on this? So I got this. I got one ball. So let's open it.
Got 5 surprises in it apparently.
Oh, Mum, 5 surprise. It's called a 5 surprise, which means there's 5 surprises.
There's 65 to collect.
Yeah, there's 65 to collect, but there's 5 in each.
It's got like American brands in it.
Yes, Zero is an American brand. How many layers is on this?
Killing the planet. Plastic.
I'm gonna put it in the bin.
I'm joking. Want some help?
I'm good. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Put it together.
1, 2, 3.
I did it. Oh, let's check the collector's guide first. We always check the collector's guide. This one's going to be a paper bag, trust me.
A paper bag is one of the surprises.
This one's going to be a White Castle paper bag. Okay, let's check the collector's guide. So, these aren't like the normal mini brands one. The mini brands is just like straight, but there's not actual categories. It's just like that. So, on this side, we have the drinks.
The drinks.
There's a gold drink. What? Like a couple of drinks. A gold drink. No, there's Subway. Carl's Jr., Rise, Shine, Sonic. There. And then on the next one, we have
Burgers.
burgers.
Do you want me to help?
Yeah.
And then we've got
Like
ice
soup.
cream.
Soups and ice cream, I think. We'll see if we get one. There's burger there.
And then you got like actual Subway subs.
Yeah. TJ Fridays.
Oh, random stuff. Why don't we just do like a run through?
Okay, give me. They come. Wait, hold on fast. Wait. And these are all the different ones. There's toy mini brands, normal mini brands, mini fashion. Those are the ones, and then the Disney ones.
Wasn't there mini fashions at the shop today?
Yeah.
Had different handbags in it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
So.
Cash register.
There's a cash register.
They must be like the rare ones.
That's White Castle bag, and those are the bags. There's a menu. Oh, on this side, I saw there was like a
Oh, the sushi.
Yeah. Well, let's get into it. I'm gonna open this one. This one's gonna be a White Castle bag. I know it. We've got to be careful with these ones because you can't lift it. Yeah.
What's a White Castle bag?
I know it's a type of.
Is it cookies or something?
No, it's like just
the grocery bag. Oh, you know when you go to the shops in America and they give you like a paper bag?
No, like you know how at Macca's they give just the big chips in a bag. Like that. So we've got a White Castle bag. I know.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Like I was just gonna play dolls. I
But like so tiny.
I feel like this is gonna be Subway. This is definitely gonna be Subway.
You know, guys, she just gave her doll's house to one of her cousins, so I actually don't understand the purpose of this stuff. Like, technically, you don't need a
still got
doll's
my
house.
caravan thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
Oh,
that's very detailed. Wow.
That is so cool.
I know.
It's like tuna sub.
Yeah, this is why I wanted it. I think this is a 6 foot long.
6 inch?
Yeah, 6 inch. So I got that. I love how these are very detailed. I wish they all came out.
No, but you don't want to pull that off.
No.
Because then it wouldn't look
this
like
one's
Subway.
a big one. Oh, it folds. I think this is a TJ Fridays. Only the TJ Fridays. Oh no.
Oh, how cool.
Look, it actually closes. That is from Hardee's. Got a burger. It's pretty cool.
That is very cool. Does the burger come out?
No. Oh, this is a tray. Or is it? No, it's not a tray. It feels like a tray though, but it's not.
So far,
We got dumplings!
burger, Subway.
We got dumplings! From TJ Fridays. Yeah. TJ Fridays. Dumplings.
Isn't it TG Fridays? TGI? Do you know what that stands for?
Comment down below what you think.
Do you want me to tell you guys?
What?
Thank goodness it's Friday.
Ah!
But we don't say that word. So let's say,
G-O-D.
yeah. Thank goodness it's Friday.
TJ.
We have TGI Fridays in Australia now.
We do?
We do.
Oh yeah.
We should go sometime.
It's at Castle Hill.
Is it? Ah.
We got some dumplings from TJ Fridays. You don't have to hold them, you know that,
But
right?
I don't like holding them. Look how many there. I can fit literally the whole packet
Oh,
on my hand.
I don't know what this is. It's from Subway.
More Subway.
Or is it?
Or
We
is
got
it?
sushi. Sushi.
Oh, cool.
We got a little sushi.
Look, guys. Do you know what I would choose out of all this?
Oh,
I love sashimi.
wait.
That's 5.
Oh, okay.
That's it, guys. All of that.
Wait, Mum. Stop. Okay, so first we got a White Castle. Very good. I will just... I ordered a Subway something. I ordered something in Subway from White Castle. You can actually like put these things in it. Whenever I see these on like YouTube
Bless
or
you.
something, what? Whenever I see these on YouTube, I really wish I had one. And then I didn't think they were in Australia because the people that record these are like
Are all American.
No.
That's why Mahani ends up with an American accent.
And then I wish we got a foot long or a golden one or something. Next time we get $10, I wanna like another one. My favorite is probably the sushi. This is so detailed.
I don't know if that's meant to be opened.
It's not.
You're just tempted to, aren't you?
Yeah,
I need it.
yeah.
Well, guys, that has it. All 5 presents. All 5 surprises.
I don't think this is gonna fit in my hand. My hands, like. My sister's arm is the size of my leg. So there you have it. If you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, click that bell notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Bye!